Amway, we believe that creating a positive change begins with caring for the community around us. I volunteered for Amway Cares Project Win because I also wanted to create a positive change by sharing simple act of kindness through volunteering. And the experience made me even proud to be part of Amway because it reflects our commitment to giving care for your people and for the community.
Amway Cares is an annual volunteering activity of Amway. It is a global volunteer activity where our ADOs and as well as our Amway staff contribute volunteer hours to the community where we are operating. Today, we are here in Kamachile Elementary School, our chosen beneficiary for this year's Amway Cares Week of Service. We are in partnership with DepEd and Project WIN, which stands for Wellness, Inclusion, and Nutrition. We brought dental care kits, school supplies, and we feed children, around 250 of them today. And we are happy to share our blessings to the community. And of course, Kamachile Elementary School has been our partner since 2019.
I'm very grateful dahil nakasama na naman ako sa programa na ito because every child deserves the opportunity to learn, to thrive, and to reach their full potentials. Kaya saludo ako sa iyo, Amway Philippines, dahil nasusuportahan mo at natutulungan ang mga batang ito na abot ang kanilang mga pangarap.
Malaki pong tulong yung Amway, lalo na po ngayon sa mga bata na may doktor na po kami, may tsinelas po sila, may school supply nga binibigay po ng Amway at hindi po sila nagsasawang tumulong. Kada year po nandito po sila. At po sa mga, lalo po sa mga apo ko na lang po kasi yung nag-aaral po dito. Ngayon, gamot na po yung apo ko, may asthma nga po siya. May gamot po siya galing po sa Amway. Kaya ayun po.
Tunay nga po na napakaganda po ng project po ng Amway, ang Amway Case, ang kanilang WIN project. Meron siyang feeding program, meron siyang school supplies, pagbibigay ng school supplies, pagbibigay ng umbrellas, ng mga payong, at yung medical mission na napakalaking tulong po sa ating mga learners and actually po sa buong community, pati sa mga parents. Yung seminar about health na kailangan po na pagpapaalala lalo sa mga parents, napakalaking tulong din po. And yung dentist natin, yung seminar about dental health and yung mga hygiene kit or yung mga dental kits, napakalaking tulong po sa mga learners at sa buong community.
Papasalamat ako sa mga volunteers, ang ating mga Amway business owners. You know, they came all the way from many different places in Metro Manila and other parts. And of course, our volunteers from Amway Philippines. Nandito po ang ating HR manager also. And of course, with the leadership of Owen Rhea, she is our corporate social responsibility head, and she's helping out a lot. So this is part of our wellness, inclusion, and nutrition program. It used to be a women's inclusion network, but we have widened it because we know that our broader community will benefit a lot from what we are doing also for our corporate social responsibility. And nakakataba po ng puso that we're seeing the fruits of of the partnership. So maraming pong salamat sa inyong lahat, sa mga volunteers, sa mga nanay, at saka sa mga anak ko.